Today, we're making eggs in sweet potato nests, the perfect make-ahead recipe to get you through the whole week. For this recipe, you'll need 2 sweet potatoes, olive oil, salt and pepper, and a dozen eggs. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees and spray a 12-cup muffin tin with cooking spray. Then you're gonna peel and shred your potatoes on a box grater. Take out your skillet and heat your olive oil over medium-high heat. Add in your sweet potatoes and salt and pepper, and cook your potatoes for 5 to 6 minutes until they're softened. Allow your potatoes to cool until they're cool enough to touch, and add them into your muffin tin, pressing them into the sides. Once you've made your sweet potato nests, bake them in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes until the edges just get crispy. Crack an egg into each sweet potato nest and sprinkle the top with a little extra salt and pepper. Bake your eggs until the egg whites are cooked all the way through and the yolk is cooked how you like it. After breakfast, take your leftovers and store them in the fridge. They make a great breakfast for the next day. Just pop them in the microwave to heat them through.
RWJ Barnabas Health. Let's be healthy together.